Hello, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. Students, today we are going to understand lesson number 3 with reading. So, to understand it with reading, open page number 22. So, let's get started. Shivendra and Afsana of class 6D are members of the ecology club of their school. They often say Motanai when they look at the growing garbage dumps in the surrounding areas. They surf the internet and compile the findings related to this problem. They decide to share this information with other members of the Eco Club. Students Shivendra and Afsana were the students of class 6D and they were members of Eco Club too. Now you might be thinking, what is Ecology Club? Students, let me tell you that Ecology Club is the club where students participate and learn about how to protect the environment and what is the importance of saving and protecting our environment. So, whenever they watch at the garbage dumps near their surrounding, they say Motanai, as Motanai means wasteful. They surf the internet means they browse on the internet and compile the information means gathered the information related to the problem of growing garbage, and then they decide to share this problem with the other ecology club's members. So let's read the information which they compile. Okay, students, so let's get started. Motanai and Swachh Bharat. Change begins at home. Our country is facing an overwhelming problem of garbage dumps. The following data clearly states why this problem needs urgent attention. Students, our country is facing a very huge problem of growing garbage dumps, and we can say this with the data given below. Let's read the data and understand why this problem needs urgent attention. India generates around 60 million tons of garbage every year. Every day, 45 million tons of garbage remain untreated. Students, I told you that 60 million tons of garbage India alone generates in a year. So it's a very huge amount, and that's why we need to take care about this problem and we need to give our attention to this problem. Every year 45 million tons of garbage remain untreated means without any care. Okay, so you can see in this picture the garbage dumps remain untreated. So like this, okay, the garbage dumps remain untreated, which is very harmful for us and for our environment. Okay, so this is why this problem needs urgent attention of ours. Now let's move forward. Most of the urban cities in India are likely to turn into huge garbage dumps as cities like Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, Hyderabad, Bengaluru and Kolkata generate about 10 million tons of garbage every day. Students, this is very huge amount, and only these big cities alone generate this big huge amount. So this is alarming news and should be enough for everyone to understand that we have a serious garbage problem to deal with. So students, I guess you all have understood that we all are facing a very big problem and this problem should be taken care of. But now you must be thinking why you need to take care of it, or how can you do something to solve this problem or to protect our environment. So the following is a three simple step guide on how children can reduce the waste generated at home. So you can also reduce the waste that is generated from our home only. Okay, so the first one is ditch plastics completely. What does ditch means? Ditch means give up. So you should give up the plastic completely. Now, why to give up plastic? Let's read and understand why should we give up plastics, why they are harming and how they are harming us. A plastic bottle can take up to 1,000 years to biodegrade. Plastic is the bigger threat than nuclear weapons as Earth can't digest plastic and it can be fatal. A million birds, one-leg whales, sharks, seals, dolphins and turtles die every single year because of plastic pollution. Plastics take around 500 to 1,000 years to degrade and it can destroy marine life completely. Moreover, if the plastic is buried deep in landfills, then it can leach harmful chemicals that can further spread into groundwater or can release poisonous greenhouse gases as it keeps on lying there for thousands of years, thereby harming the atmosphere. So now why to ditch or why to give up the plastics? Plastic bottle, even you use plastic bottle or we also use plastic bottles. So if you are using plastic bottle and you are throwing the plastic bottles out, then plastic bottles take almost 1,000 years to biodegrade. Okay students, now what is biodegrade? So biodegrade means to decay in a way naturally and in a way that is not harmful for our environment. So plastics are not biodegrade, and or if it is, then it takes 1,000 of years to biodegrade, so which is very harmful. Till then it just continues to harm our environment. Plastic is the bigger threat than the nuclear weapons as Earth can't digest plastics. Means Earth is not able to digest plastic, means Earth can't bear the plastic and it is very harmful for the environment, and even it is more than harmful than the nuclear weapons. Okay students, and it can be a fatal. What is fatal means? Deadly. What does deadly means? It can cause a death or many deaths. Okay, so a million birds, lack of whales, sharks, these all marine life also get harmed by this, means by using the plastics, because plastics create plastic pollution, and by that it destroy the marine life too. Means when we buried the plastics into the landfills, okay, then it releases the harmful chemical, and then they further spread into the groundwater, or they can also release the poisonous greenhouse gases, okay, which harm our environment and keeps on lying there for 1,000 years. Means if once it releases the greenhouse gases, then it lie for the 1,000 years and thereby harming atmosphere. So it's enough for today's class. We will continue in our next class. Thank you everyone for paying attention.